The 2022 Honda key fob uses a release tab mechanism for easy battery replacement. First, locate the small release tab on the edge of the fob, typically near the keychain attachment. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently press or pry this tab. This will allow you to split the plastic case into two halves. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, you'll see a CR2032 battery. Remove the old battery and insert a new one, making sure the positive plus side is facing up. Then, reassemble the two halves of the key fob case. This whole process should only take about 5 to 10 minutes. Always use non-conductive tools to avoid short-circuiting the key fob's internal components. If the release tab is stuck, try cleaning around it with isopropyl alcohol to remove any dirt or debris. According to a 2024 J.D. Power survey, about 70% of 2022 Honda owners replace the batteries in their key fobs themselves to save money, averaging about $120 per incident. If you damage the fob or it has water damage, it is better to take it to a dealer. According to Honda service data from 2023-2024, 15% of key fob issues stem from battery failure, while 5% involve physical damage from improper opening. Keep in mind that future trends in automotive key fobs are shifting towards digital and app-based solutions, as Honda has expanded its Honda Link app for digital keys on newer models.